So I made this alright forest painting without even painting it. If you're like me and can't be bothered to learn how to paint properly, then this is the video for you. Just have to chuck a scene together in Blender and render it, and then composite the render with a sick painting filter, and voila! So I started by opening up my new Blender scene and annihilating the default cube. I added a plane and aligned my camera to my desired perspective. I then subdivided the plane until I'm satisfied. I then sculpted the riverbank and terrain with my favourite sculpting tool, the clay strip. Then using my hand-painted rock assets, which is available on my Gumroad, link in description, I broke up the terrain with some rock formations. Then I scattered my hand-painted trees around, which is also in the description. I also scattered some more of my rocks along the riverbank. And then I added grass by using Blender's particle system and restricting the placement to a vertex group. I then used some grass I made, not available on my Gumroad store yet. I changed the texture of some of the rocks for some variation. Using my other rock set, link in the description, I placed them protruding out of the water. I then made some procedural textures for the ground and water with the Blender shader nodes. Then I used a gradient for the sky. And bing bop boom, there's a quick render.
Are you sure about that?
Now this doesn't look enough like a painting to me, so to composite the render, I import the image as a plane into a new scene. Using the shader node editor, run the vector coordinate of the image through a Voronoi texture. And to create a paper-like texture, I add some noise. I then run the paper texture into a bump node to create bumps. I then added some lighting so that you can see the bumps in the render. I then made a mask using a texture and a gradient node to make it look like there's whites of the paper left not painted. And there we have it, a painting without painting the painting. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe, and share it with your friends that might be interested. Bye!